In this video, we will show you how to view the system's history. From the Overview screen, select the menu icon, then select History. An unfiltered list of system events will be displayed. Swiping the screen upward reveals the system event history. If you'd like to filter the event history by date or event type, select the filter icon. To select a date by which you'd like to filter events, select the circle next to the start from date. Then enter the desired date. Selecting Done will apply the date filter. To filter by event type, select the event type you'd like to view, then select Done. Once a filter has been applied, you may update the filter specifications by reselecting the filter icon.